Okay, so
Now go to the Whitehead Junior.
we are going to
Student activity 1.
today we are going to be making an app that will calculate your that would calculate your the hours, your age in hours. So first when coding, we have to go to design, or that's the first thing in coding is what is the purpose. Now the purpose is to make sure that, or the purpose is to calculate someone's age in hours. Now if we go to, now first off we have to do text input. We will put that right there, and then we will make this shorter, so that way it doesn't take too much of the space in here. Then we're going to place that there. Now we are going to use label. So what this text input does is we have is whoever is using this has to put in their age in here, but they don't know that. So we are going to put a text there, and we are going to put in the text enter age here. Now we're going to put the now we're going to put this up. Oh, that's the okay. So we're actually now we're going to add enter age. Instead of here, we're going to add below, enter age below. So now they know to enter their age here. Now it won't, don't want that. Now they still can't get what they wanted, which is their age in hours. Now to do that, we're going to put a text area right here. We are going to set the width. We're going to set the width. Nope, not to 20. We're going to set the width to about there. Actually, let's go set it down to 110. Now we put this here. Now let's put down the height to about 60. So now we put that there. Now we get another label and put that there. I do not care about this.
Just click somewhere else and it will.
Okay, there we go. So now in the text, we are going to put, because if we put you are hours old, it won't be able that would be confusing, because you are hours old and then the hours and then how many hours and their age in hours. So we have to put you are, and then we put another label right here, and that will say how hours old. Now we are going to set the y coordinate up. 2, 3, 4. That's not. Okay, we're going to do that about there. Okay, so now we need one more thing, and that is the button to calculate it. So we're going to move that right there. And we want the button to say calculate. Now we can design this button. Say I want the button to be green. We will set it to green. And then we will put the text color as, let's do blue. Now the text color is blue. Now we can do the font, and we can set it to that. Now now there is nothing else missing from the design besides the screen. We want the screen to be hold up, how do I let's
Just click anywhere on the screen. Click anywhere on the screen.
So now we want now we have to change the background color. This is not needed, obviously, but it will make it a bit more attractive. So there, now it is red, or we can change it to yellow, or we can change it to orange. We can change it to pretty much anything we would like. So I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it there. And now the designing is done. Now we need to code it. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to place on event. We are going to put on event here. Now, what we want is when they press calculate, we want it to give them their age in hours. So we will go into ID and put button 1, and then that is already set to click. So that means, on event, button 1 click is when button 1 is clicked, we want text. We want set text ID, and we want to put text area 1. because this is this ID, as you can see right here below the X coordinates and Y coordinates. It is text. It is ID text area 1. So now we want the text to say what the number is. Now we go to math and we go to multiply and we put 24 times, we're going to put another one right here, 24 times 365, because that is how many days are in a year, 24 hours, or how many hours are in a day. Now we are going to go back to UI controls, and we're going to do get text, and we are going to change it to text input 1. So now that will multiply 24 times 365 times whatever they put here. So now if we do run and I do, let's say 37. If they are 37, then we will press calculate, and they would be 324,120. So that's how many hours old they are. Now, if we go back to design and we go to this, if we can edit, okay, so then we put text alignment center. So now we go to text area center. So if I do that again, 37, now the 37 is in the middle. When I press calculate, it will say the number in the middle. So that is how you make an application that will change the age you are in years to the age you are in hours. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.
Perfect. Good.